Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of a new perfume. See, there is a lot of new releases from Paris Corner to Cat Large to Latafa to so many new releases every day. Should I say on a daily basis or on a weekly basis? Because this is not on a monthly basis. This is on a daily basis. Okay, and apart from the fact that these perfumes are being released, it is difficult to find them. It is difficult to get them. Okay, so I was lucky to get the new flanker of the Taskeen perfume. Okay, on this Taskeen perfume, of course, you know there are like three perfumes before this. There is the Taskeen, the OG Taskeen, the one in the orange bottle. The Taskeen OG, a peach-like type of perfume. It's very peachy, very fruity. And then after the OG Taskeen came out, the one in the orange bottle came Taskeen Marina. Taskeen Marina is this very fresh, energizing, refreshing citrus based perfume. Very citrus, very bright, very light. After the Taskeen Marina came out, there came the almighty Taskeen Caramel Cascade. Taskeen Caramel Cascade was very hyped before Latafa now came out with their own version, which is Eclair. Okay, so for Taskeen Caramel Cascade is a milky, very milky, very sweet, very creamy type of perfume, but very polarizing. Okay, a lot of people hate it, a lot of people like it. Very polarizing. And then after Taskeen Caramel Cascade came this newest on the line. This one is called Taskeen Lactea Divina. I'll put the name on the screen. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to unbox it right here and let's see what this perfume gives me. Okay, I'm just going to unbox this. I like the vibe of the green. Anything green these days just makes me happy. I like, and this one is green and white. Funny enough, I'm wearing green and white. I promise this was not planned. This was not planned. Okay, wow, I like the bottle. What it looks like. But my question is, how come this new Taskeen is not getting a lot of hype? How come it's not getting a lot of love? Is it that the perfume is not good, or is it that the perfume does not smell nice? I hope it smells nice, oh, because I was not able to get a tester for me to try it out, which was why I bought the full size bottle. I hope it's nice. But before I say anything, I'm going to spray it. I'm going to spray it on strip first. Spray it on strip first and then see what it smells like. I'll give it a few minutes for it to, do its thing. Hold on, let's give it a few minutes. Let's not jump into conclusion. Let's not jump into conclusion. Let's not jump into conclusion. Interesting. Interesting. This perfume smells really interesting. I think this perfume is going to be interesting. Now, what I get from this perfume is I get chocolate, but the chocolate is very subtle. It's very subtle, it's very mild. I also get florals and then milky. I get some milkiness. This has a milky accent but different. I'm getting like, very gentle, clean type of florals in this. Maybe I should check out the note of this perfume. What do you say? Should I check the note out? Let's check out the note of this perfume. So I have checked out the note of this perfume. At the top, it has cacao and incense. That cacao is what is, I was thinking, is like giving me a chocolate vibe. And then at the middle, it has jasmine and tuberose. While at the base, it has milk, tonka bean, and vanilla. What an interesting note, I must say. It does not smell anything like Taskeen Caramel Cascade. It does not smell like Taskeen Marina, which I love. I love Taskeen Marina. And it does not smell nothing like the OG Taskeen. This flanker is different from the others. It's milky. It's milky, floral. Let me try it on skin and see what it gives me. Let me try it on skin and see what it gives me. I'll just spray like this. It gives me the same thing in your skin. Okay, so for now, it's a different type of milky perfume. Milky plus florals. Yeah. The note says it has tuberose. I don't get any tuberose vibe from this. I struggle with tuberose in perfumes a lot, okay, but I'm not struggling with this. I hope it gets better. I hope it gets better. So for now, I will rate this like a 7 out of 10. Okay, for first impression, I'm not in love with it. I am not mad at it either. Okay, but I would say it's an okay milky scent. I will give it time for it to, macerate, because I just opened it, obviously. I just opened it, so I'll give it time to macerate. I just couldn't wait to share with you guys that I finally got this one, at least one of the perfumes that is new for me to talk about. Okay, so yeah, that is it for Taskeen Lactea Divina. I hope I'm pronouncing this thing right. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye.